So this is the midweek market update. Let's get into it. So as we saw, the market's been on a tear pretty much the whole week. I've actually been shorted in terms of IWM or Russell, or as well as the QQQ Nasdaq position. So I'm a little bit short, like neutral, short to neutral position is what I have right now. And it's paying off. As I mentioned, if you were planning to sell it, should have sold it yesterday. So it's working out well. So my logic for selling it was simply because the market went up so much in such a short time that you kind of had no choice but to sell it. Okay, and that's what we see. We're looking at E-mini S&Ps. So all the gains that were made yesterday are already gone. So it's back to yesterday's lows. And the same thing we can see pretty much in Russell, in Nasdaq. Nasdaq is not doing too bad, right? It's I think it's out of all of them, it's doing pretty good. Okay, so let's look at commodities. So oil is on a tear as well. We can see it's keeps going up. It's up a lot today. Same thing for natural gas. It had a big up move in the last, so this week it has a big up move. I'm neutral on natural gas, have a neutral position there, and it's working out okay. You know, not the best, but it's okay. So we're just gonna hunker down and wait for things to come. Hopefully take it off in a couple of weeks, maybe earlier than that. So Treasury notes, 10 years, it's actually crashed a lot. I'm still holding, hoping it'll get a bounce. It's got a little bit off its lows from yesterday's lows of 122 to 123. Hoping it would bounce back to at least 124, 125 levels. Same thing with the 30-year Treasury bonds. They've also crashed. So pretty much everything across the board crashed. Why it crashed, nobody knows. And why should you care, right? Because that information won't tell you anything. So the only thing we know for sure, and that's the only trading strategy that you kind of have to keep in the back of your mind, when things go really, really fast in one direction, then you sell, right? If it goes up fast, then you sell. It goes down fast, then you buy. That's kind of my strategy. I don't listen to the news. You know, I always go off this simple strategy, and yeah, it's working out well. And always keep in mind. So that's been a midweek market update. I'll get more of these videos, hopefully, and we'll see what happens at the end of the week. Happy trading. Don't wipe your accounts, and if you have questions, send me a DM. Take care.